How to transfer WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your WhatsApp account. Once inside the WhatsApp, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen, or you can also tap on the three dot at the top right for Android and go to your settings. Inside WhatsApp settings, scroll down and tap on the chats option available there. Once you tap on the chats, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the transfer to iPhone option available there. Once you tap on it, follow the on-screen instructions. Now tap on the next button available there, and once you tap on the next, you will get to see that a camera icon available on your screen. All you have to do is scan this from your Android phone. So now all you have to do is scan it and all the chats will be transferred. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.